Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Value Made Simple. Today, we are talking about ITC on how ITC is going green and growing fast. We know that ITC is a big company, Indian company, that makes cigarettes, biscuits, hotels, spas, soaps, atas, basically everything. A lot of people associate ITC with making cigarettes, but now they are doing amazing work on the environment and buying new green companies. To explain this in plain English, I have invited my friend, Miss Prachi from Erend Analytics. Welcome, Prachi.
Hi Yash, hi Shubhashini, hi everybody. Happy to be here.
Okay, so let's start this simple, Prachi. What are the green numbers ITC is so proud of right now, and how do they link money to win the higher returns?
So it's super easy. They take 1 liter of water, they put back 2.5 liters into the nature. So they make some smoke that is carbon, but they plant trees that clean three times more than that. Almost 50% of their factory electricity now comes from the sun and wind. They have got a double A rating from the Global Green Report Card. Like it's like getting 90 plus marks. They help their money score too. So like their ROIC, that is the return on investment capital, is about 20%, 25% of what their borrowing cost is. So their borrowing cost is around 9%. So there is a spread of EVA of 16%, which means they are creating value for their owners, their investors, more than what they are paying. The money that they are using, they are creating more value for their investors.
Wow,
Oh,
that's actually better than many pure green companies. Let's talk about something cool that they just started paper bottles, right? So, what's that about? And how does it fit into the value octagon?
So imagine a bottle made of paper, not plastic, not glass. ITC team has teamed up with a UK company called Frugal Pack. Okay, so what is the benefit of this? So 90% less plastic, 80% less carbon pollution, fully recyclable at home. They want to put juices, cold drinks in this bottle soon. Less trash, happier planet. This brings to the value octagon cost management part. By cutting waste costs, they save money long term. It also boosts their ROIC by making packing smarter and cheaper over time.
Love it. Next big story water. ITC keeps saying they are water positive. Show us one real example and how it ties to risk handling in the value octagon.
Okay, good question. So in Chennai, many lakes were full of garbage and almost dry, like any other water body that we see. But ITC worked with the city government and the IIT Madras. They have cleaned around 6 lakes, removed 68 tons of garbage, fixed pipes, and now those lakes hold 3 million extra cubic feet of water. Because of this, underground water went up by almost 1 meter. People's borewells started giving water again. They are doing this in many cities now. The partners are basically NABARD. This is straight from the Value Octagon's risk management side. By fixing water risks early, they avoid big problems like dry farms, which keeps their EVA positive at 0.12 million units and spread steady at 16%.
wow, that's a real help, and not just a talk. ITC is actually full of surprises, and its stories page have tons and tons of these wins, like awards for sale factories and green awards. So, how do they connect the whole thing to the value octagon?
Okay, so their story shows everything from planting forest in Telangana to winning risk awards in FMCG. It's all about the value octagon, like capital allocation, where they spend money on green, buy to grow smartly. This keeps their ROIC high at 25% and their WACC low at 9%, creating that strong 16% EVA spread. No merger and acquisition in every story, but it all adds up to better value.
Okay, so Prachi, now that ITC has bought a lot of companies this year, so like the
Right.
Mother's Sparsh baby wipes and 24 organic foods and a big paper factory, they are going this as well. So are these green buys, do they boost the company's money numbers or such that?
Yes, yes. Actually, it's so. Let's make it simple. Mother's Sparsh. So it is a natural body products, no harmful chemicals. 24 mantra, pure organic dal, rice, spices, good for soil, good for health. Big paper factory from Aditya Birla, more trees, less cutting of forest, plus raw material for those paper bottles. All these companies help ITC become greener and sell healthier products at the same time. In value octagon terms, it's merger and restructuring, buying smart to mix green with growth, lifting ROIC and EVA.
Okay, so money is going mainly into the green business instead of just cigarette.
Yes.
How does that change their big picture scores?
So exactly, after they separated the hotel business in January 2025, they got extra cash. Instead of giving everything to shareholders, they said, let's buy healthy and green companies. Smart move. This diversification helps WAC stable at 9%, ROIC climbing to 25%, the spread, of course, 16%. All positive trends in their charts.
But like many companies still say that ITC equals to cigarette, which equals to the bad ESG. So what do we tell them, and how does the value octagon actually helps here?
Let me tell you two things. Cigarettes are still 40% of profit, yes, but the other 60% is growing faster and super clean. ITC is one of the few companies actually planting million of trees, cleaning lakes, while many clean companies only talk. So action is always greater than labels, right? The value octagon's governance part makes sure green plans are real. The green plans are real, not the fake one. So this protects our EVA from risk.
Okay, fair point. I will ask the last question. Where will ITC be in 5 to 10 years if they keep doing this? Um, Tie it back to those numbers.
So see, the cigarettes will become smaller part of the company. The organic foods, healthy snacks, green packing become the biggest stars. They keep cleaning water and planting trees. Stock price grows nicely because young customers and big investors love green companies. With octagon guiding like better capital use and risk fixes, their ROIC stays high. EVA grows beyond 0.12 million, which is yet a big number, and spread widens past 16%. So both Planet and the shareholders win.
Wow, such a perfect summary, Prachi. So I just have a quick rapid fire round for a couple of questions just for fun.
Okay.
So I'll start, okay? First question: what is the biggest green win for ITC this year?
So it would be the Chennai lakes, cleaning of Chennai lakes, and starting paper bottles.
Okay, the most exciting purchase.
So it was 24 mantra organic, pure food from Happy Farms.
The most one wish that ITC has.
So reaching the 100% renewable electricity even faster to push ROIC higher.
Okay. Thank you so much, Prachi. You actually made it super easy to understand the numbers like ROIC, EVA, and WAC and the spreads. It was a really nice interview.
Thank
My
you,
pleasure,
Prachi.
Shubhashni. Thank you, Yash.
Thank you. Okay.